Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be sharing with you something kind of cool that I came up with for the Arteza Daily Planner Pad. I showed this in my recent Arteza haul and I'll link that down below in case you guys have not seen it. But Arteza has these really cool daily planner pads and I wanted to create a booklet for them. So I basically just wanted to create a simple notepad holder. It is just the cover, there is no pockets, it's just very basic, and I actually love how it turned out. So I know that it does look like a traveler's notebook, and that was totally fine with me. I just think it's really cute. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to make it. I'm using the Arteza glitter gel pen to write on my little planner pad. And I love those as well. I'll have them linked down below. So in case you guys are interested in anything, I'll have everything linked down there. So if you guys want to see how I created this, then just keep watching. So first you're going to need 2 pieces of pattern paper that are the same pattern, and they're going to be cut down 7 inches by 9.5 inches. And on the 7-inch side, you're going to score on one side at 1/2 inch. When you score at 1/2 inch, you only want to do that on one side of the paper. Then you're going to flip that over on the 1/2 inch side, and I just went ahead and marked where I want to punch my hole so we can add our elastic through. So I just basically found the middle and kind of marked it on my paper. So now you're going to take the sheet of paper that is going to be the back of your book, and you're going to make a light score mark that is 1/4 inch at the top. And now I'm going to go ahead and round my corners with my corner chomper, and this is what it should look like. So now we're going to go ahead and put our pages in our laminate sheets. Now for the back portion of your booklet, you're going to go ahead and put that inside the laminate sheet, but you're going to cut a piece of laminate sheet that measures 2 by 6.5, and you're going to want to put it shiny side down underneath that score line that we made. So that 1/4 inch score mark, that is going to be kind of like a guide for you where to put that little piece of laminate sheet. So I went ahead and laminated everything, and now we're going to go ahead and trim everything down. So I like to leave about like 1/4 inch of the laminate sheet hanging off of the pattern paper, if that makes sense. And for this part, this is the back of the book. You're going to want to cut very close to that edge of the paper, as you can see. It's very important that you trim that portion down very close to the edge, just because when we adhere everything together, the book is not going to be able to close if there's a strip of that laminate on the inside when we adhere it to the inside of the book. I hope that all made sense. But on the page that you're going to use for your cover, you can just go ahead and cut at 1/4 inch all the way around, like this. So next, we're going to go ahead and take the back portion of our book. That is the one that we had that little strip of laminate. And you're going to take your ruler, put it flush up against the piece of laminate, and with an X-Acto knife, go ahead and lightly go over that laminate, and it should open like this. Try not to go through your book. And then I'm going to go ahead and punch the holes and trim my corners with my corner chomper. And I laminate everything again just so it seals everything in very nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and take that to my laminating machine. Come back, and then we're going to fold everything. So I have my bone folder, and I'm going to just crease everything very nicely. And we're almost done. And as you can see, our book is coming together. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take my ATG gun, and I'm going to add some adhesive on that flap to the front cover. And then I'm going to adhere the back cover onto that front cover, like so. Once that's down, I'm gonna go ahead and take my bone folder and press everything down, burnish everything really nicely, flip it over and do the same thing to the inside. And then now it's the fun part. After I finish folding down everything, we get to add our planner pad into our book. So just take the back base of the planner pad and slip it into your booklet. And if you do have anything extra hanging off the sides right there, you can go ahead and trim that like this. And now we get to add our elastic. So I have this elastic that I picked up at Hobby Lobby this last Christmas, and I'm going to be using that just because I think it would go well with the gold palm trees that are on this paper that I chose. And I'm going to go ahead and tie a knot once I kind of measure it and see how I want it around my book, and just guide it through the hole from the inside. And here's your booklet. I love it. I think it came out so cute, and I hope this tutorial was easy for you guys to understand. So I hope everyone enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down in the comments below, and I will talk to you guys soon. Love you guys. Bye.